I am cleaning the kitchen. I am cleaning the kitchen. My mother is cooking dinner at home. My mother is cooking dinner at home. The children are watching TV in the living room. The children are watching TV in the living room. We eat breakfast together every morning. We eat breakfast together every morning. My father is reading a book on the sofa. My father is reading a book on the sofa. I like to relax in my bedroom after school. I like to relax in my bedroom after school. The cat is sleeping under the table. The cat is sleeping under the table. We always keep the house clean. We always keep the house clean. My sister is doing her homework in her room. My sister is doing her homework in her room. There is a beautiful garden behind our house. There is a beautiful garden behind our house.